Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. I am Ghulam Nabi Khan, your English teacher. This class 9th. Today we are going to discuss a new lesson from the prose Sheikh Nuruddin Wali. You will open your book at page number 24. Sheikh Nuruddin Wali. This has been written by Professor G.R. Malik. Professor G.R. Malik was born in 1945 and he was a professor of English at the Kashmir University. His areas of specialty are British English poetry and the comparative literature. He has written some books like Iqbal and the English Romantics in 1988. He has written so many books. So far as this Sheikh Nuruddin Wali is concerned, he was a saint. He was a saint. There is a strip. True saints are in search of God and their own self. True saints are in search of God. आप देखते हैं जो बुजुर्ग होते हैं, जो परहेजगार होते हैं, जो जाहिद होते हैं, वो अल्लाह की तलाश में होते हैं. They renounce all the worldly comfort and pleasures. वो दुनिया की तमाम जो चीजें हैं, जो आराम व आसाइश, इनको छोड़ देते हैं. To renounce means to give up. वो छोड़ देते हैं. This worldly possessions, ये जो दुनियावी आराम होता है, इसको छोड़ देते हैं. And pleasures to know their God, बल्कि वो अल्लाह की राह में जाते हैं. अल्लाह को जानने के लिए वो सब कुछ छोड़ देते हैं. And simplicity and truth is their hallmark. Simplicity, सादगी और सच्चाई इनकी खुसूसियत होती है. जैसे hallmark एक वर्ड है यहाँ, distinguishing character, the difference. Now you will listen. For many long centuries, Kashmir has been known as Rishwar, the valley of rishis. This is because rishis were found in all parts of the valley. They lived very simple and austere lives. Most of them were vegetarians and considered a sin to kill a living being. They lived like hermits, doing penance and serving common people in several ways, mainly by planting shady trees for travelers to rest. Now dear students, you see, for many long centuries Kashmir has been known as Rishwar. This valley of Kashmir has been known as the valley of rishis and munis. इस वादी कश्मीर को बहुत पहले से किस नाम से जाना जाता है? ऋषवर के नाम से, मीन्स द वैली ऑफ ऋषिज. ये ऐसी जगह है जहां ऋषि और मुनि रहते थे. इफ देयर इज अ वर्ड नून, KNOW, नून, एक्चुअली वर्ब है नो न्यू नून, present, past participle. No new noon, it's a verb. This is because rishis were found in all parts of the valley. क्योंकि ये इसलिए इसको ऋषवर के नाम से जाना जाता है. यहाँ कश्मीर में हर जगह ऋषि और मुनि पाए जाते थे. They were found in all parts of the valley. Found, past tense से find का, find, found. They lived very simple and austere lives. Austere here means very simple, without luxury. Here is a word, ये क्या है? lived, lived. Most of them were vegetarians. Most of them were vegetarian. What does the vegetarian word mean? वेजिटेरियन वो लोग होते हैं जो खाली सब्जी खोर होते हैं, जो सब्जी खाते हैं, वो गोश्त वगैरह नहीं खाते हैं, क्योंकि एंड कंसिडर टू सिन टू किल अ लिविंग बीइंग, क्योंकि वो किसी जिंदा जानदार को मारना गुनाह समझते थे, तो इसीलिए वो ज़्यादा सब्जी खाते थे, वो किसी जानवर को नहीं मारते थे, उसको ज़बह नहीं करते थे, क्योंकि वो उसको गुनाह मानते थे. दे लिव्ड लाइक hermits डूइंग penance, वो क्या करते थे, वो जाहिद और परहेजगारी की जिंदगी गुजारते थे. एंड डूइंग द penance, penance मीन्स तौबा, इस्तिगफार. And serving common people in the several ways, mainly by planting shady trees. तो वो लोगों की खिदमत किस तरह करते थे? They were planting the shady trees. As you see in our Kashmir, most after 1 or 2 kilometers there are the chinar trees that has been planted by those people, by those rishis and munis for the travelers to rest. तो ये किन के लिए? जो राह चलते थे, जो राहगीर थे, जो मुसाफिर थे, ताकि वो इनके नीचे, इनके साये में आराम कर सके. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप इसमें जो कुछ आप नाउन और वर्ब कल निकाल के रखना. नाउन्स आप देख रहे हैं, इसमें नाउन्स कौन कौन से हैं, वर्ब्स कौन कौन से हैं. दिस एनफ फॉर टुडे. थैंक्स.